Alright, Seahawks cards breaks here. Today we're going to be hunting for Lamar Jackson. I have a variety of 2018 football packs. I think we're going to start with score and then finish with these contenders with some Don Russ in the middle. So obviously the main card we're looking for is Lamar Jackson. You could also enjoy Baker Mayfield. First card, Tyrann Mathieu, the Honey Badger. Kendall Wright. Ty Montgomery. Eric Berry. Fletcher Cox. Cameron Brate. Bruce Irvin. Derek Carr, sidelines. Fantasy Stars, Le'Veon Bell. I'm not going to try that name. Steve Isimo. And Robert Foster. We have DeMarcus Lawrence. Kerwin Williams. Joey Bosa. Malik Hooker. Jared Cook, Doug Martin, Amari Cooper. Scoreboard, Tom Brady. See how he looks on the Buccaneers next year. Dallas Goedert. Rashard Penny, there's a little Seahawks action. Logan Woodside. And Shaquem Griffin, another Seahawk. That was a Seahawks pack right there. Last pack of score, then we'll go into some Don Russ. Andy Dalton. Tyrod Taylor. Big Play Slay. Vinatieri. Trey Flowers. Nelson Aguilar. O.J. Howard. Signal Callers, Eli Manning. Christian Kirk. Darius Geis, Jester Wee, Ian Thomas. First pack of Don Russ. Tom Brady in the Patriots uniform on this one, like he's been for most of his career up until this upcoming season. It's going to be interesting to see him in a new jersey. Ben Roethlisberger, Dalvin Cook, DeForest Buckner, Thomas Davis, Devontae Parker, Carlos Dunlap, Legends of the Fall, Chris Carter, and Jair Alexander. Cam Newton, Ryan Shazier, George Kittle, Devin Funchess, Carlos Dunlap, Cooper Kupp, Ground Force, David Johnson. This is turned around. What we got here? It's a nice one. Recently traded to the Texans for DeAndre Hopkins and a bag of chips. Dallas Goedert. Damon Harrison. Dak Prescott. Ryan Kerrigan. Duke Johnson. Jacoby Brissett. Kenyon Drake. Tyler Eifert. And Cortland Sutton. This one feels a little fat, so we're probably going to get a nice filler in here. Maybe a jersey, but most likely it's a filler. Cam Newton. Let's see. Yeah, it's a filler. And we revealed our rated rookie early, Christian Kirk. Ryan Shazier, Harrison Smith, Julius Peppers, Barry Sanders, Rashad Jones, and Andy Dalton. Doug Martin, John Elway, Greg Olson, Josh McCown, Cameron Meredith, Peyton Manning in the Colts uniform, Snow Days, Marlon Mack, and Christopher Herndon the fourth rookie. Coming up in the last couple packs, let's see if we can clutch up a Lamar. Cam Newton, Ryan Shazier, Eric Berry, Cameron Meredith, Peyton Manning. This feels like the same pack again almost. Ryan Tannehill. This is a nice Kareem Hunt, or better known as Kareem Punt. Rashaan Evans. Xavier Rhodes, Jay Ajayi, Kyle Long. We got something shiny in the back there, if you can see that. George Kittle, Kelvin Benjamin, Keenan Allen. We got a die cut of MVS. I was really hoping that was Lamar when I saw we got a rated rookie die cut, but that's still a good one for the Packers. I think there's some YouTuber that PCs him. And Derek Nottie. It's a nice one, though. Get up in the back. All right. So coming up on our last two packs, these are going to be contenders. Got a Richard Sherman in the 49ers uniform. Demaryius Thomas. Leonard Williams, Christian McCaffrey, Tom Brady, Matt Mediocre Ryan, Russell Wilson, and Big Play Slay. Phillip Rivers, Derrick Henry, Devontae. I turned around, Bo Scarborough. Oh, wow, we pulled an auto. That's awesome. So these are all retail, so you're obviously not expecting that. Rookie ticket. I haven't heard of him, but it's still always awesome to pull an auto. Excited for that. Ryan Tannehill. Just recently signed a nice contract. Brandon Cooks. T.Y. Marquise Goodwin. I mean, overall, pretty solid opening. I'd say definitely our highlights are the MVS to 75 die cut and the Bo Scarborough rookie ticket auto. I'm always excited to see an auto out of some retail. I mean, pretty nice overall. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.